Welcome to Art of Forex channel. In this channel we will talk about Forex trading. Please like and subscribe if you found this video helpful. Today, we are going to learn how to draw supply and demand zone the correct way. Let's suppose the candlestick for the rally base drop looks like this. We have a small candle. And then a large bearish candlestick engulfs it. So we will draw the zone from body to wick. This is the simplest way to draw a supply zone. If the price is coming from the top, we have a drop base drop. But if it is coming from the bottom, we have a rally base drop. The demand zone is also the same. Let's suppose we have a small candlestick followed by a large candlestick. We will draw the demand zone from the body to the shadow, depending on whether the shadow is higher or lower. If the price coming from top, we have a drop base rally. If the price is coming from the bottom, we have a rally base rally. Beginners can easily identify supply and demand zones by using a longer time frame. The most important thing in our supply zone and demand zone is the significant move. For example, when we draw a supply or demand zone, we do not draw every zones. We use a higher time frame, such as H4, H1, or daily. We will not use a single time frame because when we buy or sell at a higher time frame, our stop loss is large, which is not recommended. We have a supply zone and demand zone right here. And then we change to lower time frame, we will find the decision point. So how do we find the decision point? From the zone we can make it smaller. Because when the price come back, we entry so we can have a smaller stop loss, which can lower our risk. As usual, we will use a line to find our entry point. I have a full video talking about how to find entry point and theory fake out how to have a sharp entry in my channel. We have a significant resistance right here. We can make this as our entry point and our zone can be smaller. As for demand zone, we will find significant support on the left. Right here we have 1 and 2 support in the same line. This entry is very sharp and quality, we float less than 1 pip. This is the concept of supply and demand. So where do we set our TP? As usual, when the price drop it become imbalance. When there is a price imbalance, the price will find its equilibrium point. Where is the last point of equilibrium? The demand zone. Let's say we buy at demand zone, where do we take out TP? We will find where the last price is balance. Right here. And this is a supply zone. Also why I call it a supply zone. Because we have a big drop, we can sell right here and TP bottom. We can continuously buy sell top bottom until price broke the zone. And find a new supply or demand zone. As for sharp entry, we will combine support and resistant. I have another video called Support and Resistant Trading Strategy, the one you only need. That video teaches you how to have a sharp entry with zero float. Please share this video to your friends and subscribe to this channel. I will explain more on how the market works and how big banks trades.